strong.
Hey guys, Elysian here, back for the first video of 2022, and I thought, why not begin the week with like going back to 2021. So I thought, since I enjoy opening up Core 21, I decided to get both another bundle box and a booster box. I've never actually opened up a booster box of the set, so they're on offer. There was a combo offer where you get this for like 115 for both, which I thought was pretty cool. So I think we will first open up the bundle, I think. So let me switch to my desk cam. There we go. So what do you guys think of the new layout? I actually enjoy it. I think it's actually really nice. I need my little handy knife. Should get one of those one of those letter opener swords. I should probably remove my dog biscuits. And no, I do not eat dog biscuits. I do not enjoy the Scooby snacks. And wow, it's actually kind of. I wonder how long this has been there because it's falling apart. Get off the seams. I'll just pop that over there. Little info card. I'll also pop that over there. Still have no idea what these are used for. One day I'll figure it out. So, nice blue dice packs. Our promo dog card with our foil lands. I may turn Pack Leader into a badge. Maybe. I've been turning like Pokemon into badges, which is something I've been doing recently, which look pretty cool. I may actually turn this into a badge too. So yeah, we'll open the bundle packs first before going on to the big one. And if we pull anything major, I have some white sleeves for. So first magic of the year. Well, it's not a new set. I am thinking about looking into getting the new like Samurai and Ninja set, Neon Dynasty, which looks pretty cool. There is a new rat. It's a Nijitsu rat, so it's not good in pure rats, sadly. But it is the first rat printing, it is the newest rat printing because it hasn't been a rat since Piper of the Swarm since 2019. It's been a long time since a rat was printed. Rats don't get a lot of love. They're not like goblins or cats or zombies, which gets so many prints. But there are a lot of nice generic cards in this set. Like, you got Pride American. I used it in my cats. It was pretty good. If one of our first packs going to be this is both a zombie and a vampire. At the beginning of your end step, if you gained a free life or more this turn, return a ghoul from your graveyard to the battlefield tapped. Oh, 2 sack a draw card. That's not bad actually. Oh wow, I pulled a Heroic Intervention. I'm actually going to sleeve that. I forgot Heroic Intervention came in the set. We're going to see that. It's a nice card to have. And we have Full Swamp, Blossoming Sands, and a Goblin Wizard token. Well, for the first pack, pulling in Heroic Invention. Not bad. I wonder how many Heroic Inventions I'm going to get in the end of this video, because it's probably going to be a long video. Hey, another Village Rites. Nice. 1 black, discard side creature, draw 2 cards. I will take that. Destroy target creature, power 4 greater. That's a nice kill spell. Like, the set has a lot of nice, like, royal kill cards. Another Sanctum. Pretty sure I pulled the one that has all the colours on it last time I opened this set. A lot of goblins in this set. Cat token. I don't. Trying to think of planeswalkers other than the dragon one I pulled last time I opened the bundle. I can't remember his name. But yeah. I also have plans for another video coming up. And I'm hoping the cards actually do arrive. Oh, that's a rare. Ooh. Hoping they arrive. Actually, did I pull out the rare from this? No, I did not. I didn't remember to do that. Double check in case I've left another rare. No. I do have ideas for another kind of set. Well, another video I want to do, but they haven't arrived. They've been delayed. I'll put the foils down here. That's our first foil. Well, our first creature foil. I'll pop the foil swamp there too. Why not? No land and a sapling token. Okay. Ooh. Foundry, 1 full, turn to slag. Frantic, inventory, draw a card, then draw a card, draw a card, then draw cards equal to the number of cards named from your graveyard. Okay, so draw 1 and 1 again. Target player discards 2 cards. Gain 3 life, draw a card. That's not bad. That's a nice little card. Scorching Dragonfire. I know this card. I've got a couple from its original set, I think. A Vampire Noble. I wonder if this will be used in vampires. It is white. No, vampires, they use the commander that's both white, black, and red. Ooh, we got kind of like one of the showcase arts. And token. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's our first like showcase creature. I don't think I've ever pulled a showcase creature from this set. All I've been pulling is like the lands. Oh, another cancel. Turn a creature card from your graveyard to the battlefield. 5 mana. I think I'd rather them go to my hand. Eliminate. Destroy target planeswalker, creature or planeswalker with converted mana of 3 or less. That's probably going to be a creature. Because I can't think of many planeswalkers that cost 3 or less. Cancel. 6 mana. Draw 3 cards per turn, up to 2 target creatures to their owner's hands. Okay. Don't think that's really worth the mana. Little mana dog. Primal Might. Target creature you control gets +X/+X to the end of turn. Then it fights up to 1 target creature you don't control. Okay. That's actually kind of cool. Oh, we have a borderless. What is it? Scavenging Ooze. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. But, well, I'll sleeve that because why not? Put it next to my heroic intervention. I wonder if I can turn some. I wonder if I can find some nice lands to turn into like little badges. Because that would be good. Target opponent reveals a hand. You choose a non-creature, non-land card from it. That player discards that card. Destroy target creature or planeswalker. Finishing blow. Meh. Snake. We have our first mythic. If a source you control would deal damage to a permanent or player, it deals triple that damage to permanent or player. Ow. Ow. Don't know how I feel about that. That's actually. Ooh. It's a pretty good card though. It does cost 6 mana. But it's an enchantment. So if you're gonna be one of those cards where your opponent kind of has to deal with. I don't think I ran this cat in my cats. Stalker must be blocked if able. Whenever a Kurosawa dies, you gain 1 life for each creature that died this turn. Got Rare Spirit. A Mountain and Demon. I finally got my hands on Halo Infinite. I've been casually playing through that. I finished the story mode yesterday. Well, I did play it for 12 hours straight yesterday, but just really like it as an open world Halo. We've never had an open world Halo game, so I just played, go all the little collectibles and everything in there, go all the lore. Yeah, they did a Halo 2 on us. They Master Chief had finished the fight, and then a couple more sequences of dialogue, and then game ends there. Oh, what a way to end the game. Another rare, legendary creature, human druid. Whenever you draw your second card each turn. Oh yes, okay, I know this. It's actually a commander. Well, it's used as a commander. So far we're getting a nice helping of rares. Last pack of the bundle. At least I'm going to have a good amount of cards from this set. Hey, a mare. I tried to build pure mares. It didn't really work. Remember it's Scythe. Enters battlefield with a soul counter on it. A quick creature gets +1/+1 for each soul counter. Whenever a quick creature dies per soul counter, equip 1. So that's actually pretty nice. Hey, if you may play 2 additional lands each of your turns. Nice. George, we could probably fit that into thingy. Oh no, foil. Ooh, token. Into Master Oogway deck, which is just a giant, which is just landfalls. So if you're watching this video, then all toddles, let me know. And now we finally get to the big boy, the big one. I will use my trusty little knife. Thank you, little trusty knife. You have not cut me. So yet. Oh. Now, if I move all the commons there. Oh. Wow, first time opening a proper box of Core 21. Okay. Let's begin. And yes, I always make sure all the cards are indeed at the very bottom before I sniff the top. Like, I'm personally if I'll pull Planeswalker or something from this box. Well, every pack has a Planeswalker in the art, so we don't. Our first rare land, and a pirate token. Man, I'm gonna have like packs everywhere. Hey, another visual rates. That's now my third. Doggo. And there, Zelius, my friend Zelius, she's building the cat dog deck. So, nice rare. And she's almost, well, she's actually close to getting it done. It's what's it, white, green, black? Yeah, white, green, black. It's triple colors. And that will be her second deck because at the moment she only plays squirrels, and that is, pretty sure that's every color. There's 4 colors, I think. Camera's not focusing again, why? Assassin. Oh, we got ourselves another mythic. So I will quickly, let's leave that boy up. What do you do? It's lifelink whenever an opponent attacks with creatures. If 2 or more of those creatures are attacking you / your planeswalker you control, draw a card. Whenever an opponent casts their second spell each turn, draw a card. Okay, so it's just our draw power. No, Doggo. Oh, cat. Exile target creature planeswalker's control gets a 4/4 white angel. Rare spider, a rare foil, and a tree, and that's it. Ooh. This video will probably get uploaded Thursday, the 6th. I do have some videos coming out next week. pretty sure this set came out in 2020. Like late 2020. But I think it's just, since it is 21, and we just ended 21, I just thought fitting that the first Magic will be this. Okay. So, do we have a Planeswalker? Oh, more lands and a ball. Now, the amount of cards I'm guessing I'm gonna need a bigger box. Maybe a bigger desk, actually. So I'm not gonna be running out of cat cards anytime soon. So I'll take another one of her. Oh. So we're like halfway in the week. No long to the weekend now. And then I can be back and forth playing some dank Magic. Me and Tal will just play a lot of Digimon, which is always fun. Reminds me, I finally have my playset of Terriermon from, I don't know what I'm doing with that camera. Terriermon. Finally have a playset of that done. One black artifact, pay 1 and a black, sacrifice creature, you gain 1 life draw card. Oh, ooh. This in my rats though. If you try to generate a lot of rat tokens, sack the tokens off, draw a card, or gain life draw card, which also proc my other cards. Ooh. I like that card. Oh, we have a mythic worm. When this worm enters the battlefield, creatures your opponent controls get -2/-2 to your turn. Whenever a creature an opponent's control die, that player loses 2 life. Ooh. Oh, we have another artifact, but first I'm just gonna foil. Well, foil. I'm just gonna sleeve up the worm. There we go. Oh. When Idol of Embrace enters the battlefield, exile creature cards with their mana cost 3 or less from your graveyard until Idol of leaves the battlefield. 1 color, 1 white, tap until the end of the turn. You may cast creatures from among cards exiled with Idol without paying mana. Okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense now. Okay. Next rare. If people are interested, some of these cards will be on my eBay. I will leave a link to that in the description below. Should really do this in the middle of the camera, really. We have a rare gobbo, a land, and a sapling token. So we'll just actually, yeah, get organized here. Oh, I'll just notch a little bag of crisps I have. Okay, next pack. Hang on, my dog's barking, so someone must be at the front door. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, had a. Oh, I'm out of breath now. Just had a chair delivery, 2 big boxes. Oh. So let's get back on with the packs. Another draw, another medal, another another rare. You go there. Token. Oh, the angel token. Nice. Come on, planeswalker. I'm probably just gonna skip to the mythics and rares now because we've seen all the cards from the set now. Ooh. We have a mythic planeswalker. There we go. Put a +1/+1 counter up to one target creature. It gains indestructible to the end turn. -2. Never one or more non-token creatures attack this turn. Create that many 1/1 white soldier creature tokens that are tapped and attacking. -6. You get an emblem with at the beginning of combat on your turn. Create a 1/1 white soldier creature token. Then put a +1/+1 counter on each creature you control. And void. Oh, did I cut myself? Yeah, I think I cut myself on the when I was putting in the boxes. Well, I'm gonna forget about that, and then when I put a hand sanitizer on it, that's gonna sting. Okay, what's we have a rare. Peer into the abyss. Target player draws cards equal to half the number of cards in their library and lose half their life rounded up. This could be a potential kill card. Whoa. And rare. Foil comment. Hey, Todd. We just pull his emblem. That was terrifying. The top 3 packs were all Lilianas for a second. Or does that mean we have a Liliana in one of these packs? So what Liliana is it? Is Liliana Death Mage or is it just Liliana? Oh. No. Oh, we have Gurks Unleashed. Okay. Okay, this pack is giving me resistance, so there must be something good in here. Archmage. Enter the battlefield, return up to one other target creature or planeswalker creature out of his hand. Beginning of your end step, if a permanent was put into your hand from the battlefield, this turn draw a card. Not bad for a 1 card, 2 green. Not bad at all. Can we get another planeswalker? See the truth. Look at the top 3 cards of your library, put one of those cards into your hand and the rest on the bottom of your library in any order. If the spell was cast from anywhere other than your hand, put each of those cards into your hand instead. That's not bad at all. I guess yeah, there are cards that allow you to cast cards from like the graveyard. So okay. Oh yeah, I went straight to rare, I guess, without realizing. Oh, foil for. Oh. Man, I've got a lot of sorting to do there. So much sorting to do. Yeah, I should probably check all my Amazon deliveries going. Ooh, we have a Manticore, artifact creature. As a different cost, cast a spell, discard a card. Protection from planeswalkers. One deals 1 damage to target planeswalker. 3 gains indestructibility in turn. Not a bad rare. Man, that pile's gonna fall over soon if I don't actually sort it. Rare Speaker of the Heathens. Vision to the lifelink, attack creature on for each creature will fly, and if this ability only if you have at least 7 life more than your starting life total. Oh, that's gonna be easy for like Marcus. Dave is right, I now have a playset. No. This is where it gains a life. No, this is one that allows you to scry. Oh, this is one that gains a life. Okay. Hey, another Sanctum of All. This is now my second Sanctum. Come on, get down there. There we go. Snip the top. Heal the top. Little tower packs. Oh, another cultivate. Can't have too many cultivates. A rare spirit and land. God, I still haven't seen another heroic intervention. I'm sure I'll see one of these packs. Oh, ooze, which is just this. Oh, foil Gurk's Uprising. Okay. Please give more planeswalkers. Oh yeah, I remember seeing her. I think I pulled her a couple of days ago. Oh look, I pulled another one. I pulled another one. I spoke it up. So I have no idea like what's the worth of those ones. And my shampoo, I'm just going to ignore that. Okay, show me the bling. The Fairy's Angelus Sight. If you draw a card, except the first one you draw in each of your draw steps, draw 2 cards instead. I do need to grab a Teferi's, like Teferi's Protection. I do. Well, I did technically buy one, it just never arrived and I got a refund for it. Probably looking to gain another one. Ruined Halo. As Ruined Halo into the battlefield, choose a card name. You have protection from the chosen card name. Oh, okay. That's actually kind of funny. Oh. Protection from the chosen card name. Trying to think of cards that like target my opponent. I guess yeah, any cards that say target player. So I potentially can't kill anyone with my Sand Blood, which this is what, sometime in November I think, or early this. No, it was either early. Yeah, it must have been somewhere in November, where I was in a game. It was a 3-man game. I killed Nathan. Got Todd onto, had to try to get Todd onto 2 life. It worked. I smacked with Ob, which at the time was brought back with my whip. I think he blocked it and I smacked him for 2. So he was on 2 life, and then I just paid my 2 black, target Todd, he loses 2 life and draws 2 cards. That's the only time I've ever used a draw card to kill an opponent, and it was actually kind of funny. Snake. Ooh. A foil mythic. Terror of the Peak. Let's have a good read of you. Flying. Spells your opponent casts that target terror of the cards cost an additional 3 life. Whenever another creature enters the battlefield under your control, Terror of the Peak deals damage equal to that creature's power to any target. That is disgusting. Ow. Oh, imagine that marks this. Oh no. Just as enters the battlefield, it doesn't have to be cast. Whenever we have to try and deal with it, we have to pay 3 life to cast. I guess 3 life is fine. But the 5/4 with that effect, and Marcus just cheated in anyway. Okay. Glorious Anthem, creatures control get +1/+1, and land. What are we now on? The last 6? No, we still have a couple more packs. We got like what, 12 packs? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. No, still got a couple packs. At least 12, I think. Okay, what's our next rare? Oh, the regular pack leader. And number 4, track down. You can't have too many, I guess. You can't have too many cultivates either. Stormwing Entity. Spell costs 2 less cards if you cast an instant sorcery this turn. Flying Prowess. Whenever you cast a non-creature spell, this creature gets +1/+1. Whenever it enters the battlefield, Sky 2. Okay. Not bad. Oops. Okay, show me 4. Oh, thank you. And that is a Showcase Planeswalker. Heart of Fire. What do? Discard your hand, then exile the top 3 cards of your library. Until the end of this turn, you may play those cards. Exile this way. +1. Deals don't have any target. -9. Search your library. Search your graveyard and library for any number of red instants and or sorcery cards. Exile them. Shuffle your library. You may cast them this turn. And then add 6 red mana. I've never liked the idea of getting rid of my I've never been a good fan of exiling my own cards. I'll gladly exile my opponents. I'm fine with discarding cards to the bin. I do it all the time in my trees. Most of the time it's lands. Okay. Yeah, this is the 5th pack. I don't know what to end. I don't know if there's anything left to end with. Oh, Hydra. Let's try 1. Oh, foil land. Oh, another land. Just lands off. Just land after land after land. 4th pack. Got number 1. Pretty sure I have a place it now, I think. Spider, land, token. Okay, let's just. There we go. The last 3 packs. Cat. Okay, my cat could be cuddly and then it'll just attack out of nowhere. Pretty sure that's all the cats. It does like to get everywhere though. No, pack leader, land. Okay. Second to last pack, what can you give us? Foil. Cost 4. Rare. Still costs land. Okay, last pack. Shake for the good luck. Oh, okay. Start off good. We start off with a tree folk. We have Brash, Taunter, and we have a cat. Okay. Well, at the end of the day, I think I scored pretty well. We have a look at all the mythics. Yeah, I think I did pretty well. 2 Planeswalker mythics, and they both sound pretty good. So, if I go to my other screen now. So yeah, hope you guys kind of enjoyed my saying goodbye to 2021, and now just looking forward to all the new sets coming out in 2022. And I guess I will see you then. So bye.